Today we are doing look 2 with the ColourPop 1111 palette on this stunning gold glittery look. So if you'd like to see how to get this, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Julie and I'll help you find the best beauty, makeup, and fashion items. I'll show you how to enjoy your current makeup collection and help you to become more confident by teaching you my best makeup techniques and sharing with you my most valuable life lessons. So if that resonates with you, you should subscribe and stay a while. First, I'm going to use this shade here in Good Thoughts, and I'm just going to be blending that shade in the crease. Next, I'm going to use Right Path, and I'm going to, with a flat shader brush, just pat that color right here on the last third of the eyelid. Then I'm taking some more of that shade on my Sigma E25 blending, and I'm just going to blend that here in the outer V. Just using little circular motions to pull the shade up, and then using like back and forth motions to pull that shade into the crease. Then I'm just going back with some more Good Thoughts and just blending that darker shade out, just making sure everything looks seamless. And for the lid, I'm gonna go in with this shade Manifest It. And I just packed that shade on a flat shader brush. And then I'm just gonna use a makeup setting spray to mist the brush. And that's just going to help to intensify this eyeshadow. And it's also going to keep it from like falling out, like having a lot of fallout. You could also apply this shade with your finger, but I do like to apply it with a dampened flat shader brush like this, just so I can be more precise with the placement. So now what I do to clean up the edge here, you could take a makeup remover wipe, but a lot of times what I do is I just take like whatever my face lotion is and put it on a Q-tip. And then I'll take that Q-tip and just clean the edge of the eyeshadow up if it gets a little too far down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, and then we'll come back and finish out the rest of this eye look. I'm gonna take some of Good Thoughts on my Sigma pencil brush, and I'm just gonna brush that here on the lower lash line. Then I'm getting some Right Path on the tip of this brush and also blending that here on the lower lash line. I'm going to take some of Total Angel. Just going to brush some of that here in the inner corner. Also right underneath the brow, just really lightly because that shade is pretty intense. I don't want anything too crazy on the underneath side of my brow, just a little highlight. Then I'm just taking my Physicians Formula Eye Booster pen in deep brown, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a wing, just a slight wing. Then I'm just gonna take my Benefit Highbrow Duo pencil and the pink linen side, and I'm gonna put that here in my waterline. This is just going to help to brighten my eyes. So this step is kind of optional. I just like to use this because it helps to make my eyes look a little bit bigger and more awake. Then I'm just going to curl up my lashes and apply several coats of mascara. And I'm just going to be using my Maybelline Lash Sensational in Blackest Black. If you guys are enjoying this series, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to have at least 2 other looks with this palette, so be on the lookout for those. I'm gonna try to film them like one each week until I get through all of the looks. But I hope that you guys are having a great start to 2024, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art.